Okay, so now these are 1-point perspective drawings. Now, they've given you your first steps in your book. But when they don't give you your first steps, what you do is you first want to go and find your VP. Okay, to find your VP, all you do is take your SP straight up to the HL line. Okay, so I'm going to do that quickly. So there we go. Okay, now every single point on this drawing will always go to the VP. Always. Okay, unless you obviously can't see that point, like this one, you wouldn't be able to see because it's behind the drawing. Okay, so every point goes to your VP. But then, as well as, you see on top here is a line going down. Right? Yeah. Now those lines you take toward the SP over here, but only draw it until the PP line. Okay, so there. So what I would suggest is that you take all these top points over here, all these top ones, straight down to the SP and stop on the PP line as soon as you start your drawing. Okay, so if I had to show you what I'm trying to explain, there, and there. Okay, you see that? Okay, now what you want to do is take each and every point, so that one, 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 take them all to your VP. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. Please do it lightly, guys, like it all has to be light. Okay, so there, they're all going to your VP, remember that? Okay, now you see over here, that line over there, they've shown you a line goes downward. Okay, now let me draw it in a bit darker so you can see it. Okay, now you see that line over there. Now these lines that we've just marked off, all of those we're taking down. Okay, but let's do that one for one. Okay, so now we've already got this one. Okay, now let's take that one down. So we take that straight down. Okay, so now if you look at this, okay, you've got the side of your drawing, so let's draw that in dark. So you've got that and that up to the dotted line, not all the way up to the dotted line, so only until there. Okay, now you see that line we've just drawn down over there, okay, onto that line. So this point, right, and that point at the top are the same things because this is the top view of this drawing. Okay, so that point comes down to here and goes to there, which means that has to be that point, the back of it. Okay, so literally all you have to do is go join that point and that point. And now you have that whole side of your drawing. You see that? Quite easy, right? Okay, now you go here and then you can pull that down, but you see, okay, it's supposed to be landing up on this side of the drawing, but it doesn't. So what does that mean? You don't worry about it, you just draw that in dark until there. Okay, try the same here. So this one over here, bring that down. Okay, see, it stops there, but we can't do anything with that. So that line also we just draw dark, and then your drawing is done. Understand?